main office entrance. And you'll see to the right, this is our front desk where you will end up meeting Jocelyn. Jocelyn is our front desk. She's scheduled, she does everything in regards to clients. And down our hallway, we'll show you on our left-hand side first, our coach's office where we meet for all nutrition, lifestyle, routine habits, anything that we discuss in regards to our coaching. And then as we shift over to our right, this is our new lounge where we have coffee every day, we have soup every day. We have Dr. Matar talking about different tips and tricks about living a healthy life. And then as we make our way down the hallway, this is where all of the fitness at the end of this hallway is. We have 3 different things that we really provide here. And on our right hand or our left hand side, I'm going to turn the light on real quick. This is our functional space where we do things with free weights, dumbbells, resistance bands, balls, your own body weight, all strength training customized by our trainers for each client and their needs. And then as we come out here, you can see the client on one of our machines. This is all of our machine-based exercises. We start on the ellipticals, moving over to our ROM machine, and eventually all on the way on the far end is our ARX. Does very functional training as well, just slightly different. And then we're going to pan you over into our stretching office. This is where we do manual manipulation stretching, stretching that can aid in increase mobility, flexibility, and help relieve any tightness and tension. We also have a posture program that does a lot of the same, except focuses more on spinal alignment and strengthening all muscles around the spine to keep you standing nice and tall. And then the last room is our testing office. This is where we do all of our testing every single time that clients come in. They do a body composition. If they are doing our coaching, as well as our Staiku, which is a 360 spin of the body and gives us all measurements of what is going on internally. So that is our facility from front to back. We hope to see you soon.